She got that rich girl, LA vibe. She would be good in her daddy's 95. Rosé and bubble gum. She got that rich girl, LA vibe. She ride it good like she work it 9 to 5.
Hey, so to make this quick, in this video you'll see me trying to recreate outfits from the movie Clueless. And I used a bunch of clothes I've already had in my closet. I only bought a few pieces to tie the whole looks together. But yeah, so I hope you enjoy. If you remember, this is the outfit where Cher sees Christian for the first time. So I only spent like 1 or 2 days trying to find these clothes in stores, and this was one of the ones that I found like right away, and it kind of reminded me of Cher's iconic yellow plaid outfit. So yeah, I kind of tried to recreate it like that. So for this one, the shirt underneath, the top button was broken, so please ignore how that looks. But yeah, when I saw the movie again and I saw this sweater, I was like, dang, I have that.
What's up, Daddy?
What the hell is that?
A dress.
Says who?
Calvin Klein.
Valley information.
Yeah, do you have a number of a cab company?
Which one?
I don't know which one. What do you have out here? You don't understand. This isn't a liar.
And to transition from Cher to Dionne, I used Cher's outfit and Dionne's bandana. I actually love this outfit, even though I wouldn't wear it as is. But in other news, I heard that there is a show in the works with Dionne as the main character, so get excited. Honestly, I'm not really feeling the color of the sweater, but it'll have to do. I didn't know how hard it was to find 2-piece sweater sets in this color, or in any color for that matter. I did what I could, I'm sorry. I had this tank top from Pink from a friend, and yeah. This is the Ralph Lauren dress that I got a few years ago. I'm not sure why I still have it, but I'm glad I still do. And finally, we have one of Dionne's iconic looks. This coat was from Ross, I believe, and the second one was from Forever 21, and it's actually really cute. I wouldn't normally get this print, but this one looked nice. So that is it. I really love Clueless, and I'm thinking about doing another Clueless outfit inspired video, so stay tuned for that. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.
She got that rich girl, LA